if you're new here, I'm Linda, an artist based in Northwest Australia in the West Kimberley, and today I'm here at Milesborough, which is just outside of Derby, doing a bit of sketching and enjoying the start of the dry season. The weather's a bit cooler and I'm getting out my art supplies and finally getting to sketch outside again after all this time. I hope you enjoy sitting with me and following along. I've got my hat on because there's a march fly buzzing around my head trying to annoy me. You can really see the change of season happening out here at Milesborough. In the distance you can see a few build-up clouds. I'll have to zoom in so you can actually see them just on the horizon there, but overall it's really clear skied and you can just really feel a change in temperature in the air and a change in humidity, which is yay. Wet season is great. We get some really fantastic skies and storms and lots of beautiful rain. I'm so thankful for it, but when the dry season comes, that's definitely my favorite time of the year. It's just much cooler, much nicer to be outside in nature, and we look forward to having campfires on the marsh and getting out and about and drawing a lot more. So yeah, there's good sides to both. I'm loving the way that the neo colours go over the top of the pre-painted watercolour background. I think I might have used neo colours and then water on top of that to make the blue background, come to think of it. But yeah, I just really love the way that they slide over the top, but they also leave the texture in the paper. You can see that in the sunlight there. That's really pretty. And if I wanted to, I could get the wet brush and go over the top of this and it would make it act like paint. But I'm going to leave it as it is, just nice and textured like that. And now we're back in the studio where I've been working on a body of work for my very first solo exhibition in June in Broome, which I'm really excited about. I've been working on lots of different size paintings, almost always Kimberley themed, and it's been a real joy to portray some of the local scenery around Derby where we live, and also some of the people that we've grown to know and love. I've been working on a very large piece which has been all about the Kimberley and the beautiful scenery that we have up this way in the north of West Australia. And this one has been evolving quite a bit since I started it, which you will see from the video. So just enjoy watching me paint for a while and you'll see some of the changes that I made. Hey, if you've made it this far to the end of my video, that's fantastic. You must be my new best friend. I'm wrapping this up with some paintings behind me, some finished as you saw in the video, and also one that I'm working on at the moment, which is completely different. It's actually a sewing painting from when I was at the local women's centre. I was struck by the patterns on the pincushion and some of the patterns that were left from the screen printing that they'd done on the table. So that one's a work in progress. So stay tuned for more updates through my Instagram channel, which you can find the link below. And yeah, I would love to hear your feedback and what you're interested in seeing from this part of the world.